everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Today's video is going to be a fun one. So it is huge. It's a 4x5, 4 foot by 5 foot, and it is multiple pendulums. And you can probably see it behind me because it's so big. But I did a white pendulum, metallic white. I did a gold, so a metallic gold. And then I did a metallic purple. So that is what's behind me. This big honking thing. Huge. I love it. It's so big. See, it's 5. I'm like 5'6". But this is it. So I'm really excited about this one and show you how I did it. Thanks for joining me, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. All right, well, let's get you down and show you how I did these 3 pendulums. Bye for now. Bye. All right, everyone. Well, this one was a 4x5 foot canvas that I tried to do what I call a dry swipe on, and I had too much water in it, so as you can see, it cracked. So my plan on this to make it so that it is, well, usable on the wall and another great piece of art is I am going to do what I did to this one. So this one right here, if you can see, it actually had cracks as well, and it has some great, awesome texture. So I am planning on doing a pendulum like that, but instead of this is called flash, a black flash, which is a color shift. I am going to be doing actually graphite. So I'm getting set up. You can kind of see there's my pendulum kind of getting set up right there. So I'm going to either use this Deco Art metallic paint or this graphite paint right here. It's iridescent. Both of these are metallics. This is an iridescent technically. This is a metallic technically. So those are what I'm planning on doing for this. I'm going to cover it with a brush, and then I am going to end up doing a pendulum on it. That's my plan on this one. It's a nice big piece. So I'm starting to get set up with my foam mats underneath, and then I've got my lighting over here getting started so that I can have my pendulum. And there's my I've got my ladder, and I have my apparatus over here for the pendulum. So yeah, so that's what I'm planning on doing. Hopefully it comes out really cool. I love dark colors with a light pendulum, or a light color with a dark pendulum, but I prefer the dark and light. So there's one, and then if you look over here, there's another one, and then there is gold on gold. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, I really like that dark with the white, and so that's my plan right there. Getting ready on a Friday night to do that. All right, bye for now. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just putting these used puppy pads on there. I reuse them all the time. And then I'm also putting these up underneath there. There are door triangles that you can either put them like this, which I do when I paint, but right now I'm putting them like this on the ground. Or not on the ground, but on the table, and then this right here just sits in the between the canvas wrapped up underneath in the wood. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm just getting those situated underneath here. There we go.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.